everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Okay, let's get into the video. Today I'll be opening a box from ThredUP, which is an online consignment store where you can buy and sell used clothing. ThredUP has different rescue boxes that you can purchase, but I decided to go with the $90 handbag rescue box, which is supposed to include at least 10 handbags. First up, we have a Charming Charlie bag made out of faux leather. The condition is pretty good, I'd say. Next, we have a Kate Spade nylon bag. There are some stains on the outside of the bag, and the interior has some pen marks. Company crossbody bag that was in great condition. The inside had a few marks though. This is a Cole Haan leather bag. The outside is in really good condition. The inside was a bit dingy though. Another unbranded crossbody bag. The inside and outside of the bag were in very good condition. The next bag is by North Face. The outside had some yellowing, but the inside was pretty much okay. Let me know in the comments down below if you know what type of bag this is. The next bag is a B. Mikowski leather bag. There were some spots on the outside, but the inside was pretty clean. Finally, we have a faux leather bag from Aldo. The underside of the bag had some scratches, but the inside looked clean. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite bag was. branded crossbody bag, the North Face bag, the geometric bag, and the Aldo. Thanks for watching. See you soon.